Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Tuesday's math. We're going to get started with practicing skip counting by twos. So together, let's read these together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, we definitely could keep going because we can skip count by twos all day long. You can go all the way to 100 if you want to practice that. But today, we're just going to go to 20s. All right, let's go ahead and look at skip counting by threes. Now, you might remember our threes song by Mr. DeMaio on YouTube. So if I think about that song, it goes 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Count it out to 30. Now you can see that I can go past 30. But for today, I'm going to stop at 30. If I wanted to keep going, I would go every third number. So here's 30, and then I'd go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I could keep doing that. Okay. Remember that skip counting helps us to be more fluent at multiplication and division. All right, fill in the table based on the drawing below. So total number. So they want to know how many total number of triangles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 total triangles. How many equal groups? So I have 1, 2 groups. How many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we look at the learning target for today, it is I can understand the meaning of the unknown as the number of groups in division. So let's see. Our total number is 10. I broke it into 2 equal groups. That gives me 5 in each group. So 10 divided into 2 groups equals 5 in each group. Let's try another example. Fill in the table based on the drawing below. So total number is the first thing we need. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, because there are 5 groups with 2 in each group. So our total number would be 10. Now, how many equal groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal groups. How many are in each group? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? They have to be equal to multiply or divide. So that would be a 2. And finally, what is our division sentence? Well, if we have 10 triangles and we divide them into 5 equal groups, we get 2 in each group. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Okay, fill the table in based on the drawing below. So total number of triangles: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many equal groups are there? 1, 2, 3. How many are in each group? 4, 4, 4. So what would my division sentence be? If I have 12 triangles and I divide them into 3 equal groups, I'll get 4 in each group. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Hopefully you're getting the hang of it. Here's another example. Fill in the table based on the drawing below. So let me get this straight in the camera for you. Total number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many equal groups? 1, 2. How many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check and make sure it's the same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I have 12 triangles and I divide them into 2 groups, I get 6 in each group. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. All right, let's do a word problem. Stacy has 18 bracelets. After she organizes the bracelets by color, she has 3 equal groups. How many bracelets are in each group? So she starts with 18 bracelets and she has 3 equal groups. So I'm going to use the fair share strategy here. I know there are 3 groups. And I know that there are 18 bracelets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have to check and make sure, do they all have an equal amount? Well, this one has 6, and this one has 6, and this one has 6. So what would we do for our division sentence? We would say 18 divided into 3 groups equals 6. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Let's try another word problem. Let me just adjust my paper here for 1 second. Okay, next weekend, my friend Cynthia is having a party. 18 people are coming. I told her I'd help her set up tables. We know that 6 people can sit at each table. How many tables will we need? So when I'm thinking through this in my brain, I like to think about what numbers am I working with. So I know I have 18 people. I know that 6 people can sit at a table. So the question is, how many tables? So right now, what we're trying to figure out is not how many groups. We already know how many groups. It's 6 tables, right? Or I'm sorry. We know how many are in each group. We know that there are 6 people at each table. So we're trying to figure out how many groups, how many tables. So here's how I would do something like that. I know there's 18 people. I know that there can be 6 people at a table. So I'm going to make 6 people at each table until I hit 18. So 6 people can sit at this table. 6 more people could sit at this table. Now let's make sure I haven't done 18 people yet. 3, 6, 9, 12. Nope, I can make another table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 people here. There's 6 people here, and there's 6 people here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So I've used 18 people. So that means I need 1, 2, 3 tables. So the way that I just did that is if I have 18 people and I put 6 people at each table, I need 3 tables. So, boys and girls, sometimes in division, you're trying to figure out how many groups. Sometimes you're trying to figure out how many in each group. Okay, so division can go both ways. How many groups or how many in each group? Let's try to draw a picture to solve this equation. 14 divided by 7. I like to think of it like a story problem. So let's say I have 14 stickers and I want to share them with 7 friends. So I'm going to draw a circle to represent my 7 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I can fair share 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many are in each group? There are 2 in each group. So 14 divided by 7 equals 2. All right. Cynthia plans to buy 15 burgers. 3 burgers come in each pack. How many packs should she buy? So this is another problem where you know how many are in the group, but you don't know how many groups. So you know that she needs 15 for her party and 3 come in a pack. So here's what this tells my brain. Okay, 15 burgers, 3 in 1 pack. So I have to figure out how many packs I need in order to get to 15. So I'm going to draw groups of 3 until I hit 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got to get to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many packs did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I just did is 15 divided by 3 equals 5. If I have 3 in each pack, then I need 5 packs. I can also use my skip counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. See how I made it to 15? All right, this last one is going to be our very last practice problem today before you go work on your own. Draw a picture to solve the equation below. 21 divided by 3. Okay, so I could draw 3 groups and fair share 21. But what we've learned today is that I can also know how many are in a group and I can see how many of those groups I need until I get to 21. So let's do it that way. Let's do groups of 3 until I hit 21. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So how many groups did I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the big idea in today's lesson is that division can do 2 things. It can figure out how many are in a group, or it can figure out how many are in each group. Okay, so that's what I want you to take away from today's math lesson. Division can look at 2 different things. All right, good luck with your practice activities.